Good morning, everyone. I am IFBB professional classic physique bodybuilder Lamont Gilchrist, and today is a garage built training session, and we're going to talk about some cues to the deadlift. The first cue that I think that is very important is establishing your grip on the bar and how far your hand should be on the grip. Number one thing that I like to do with my hands is just to feel like they're a rope, so they're hanging straight down. So if my hands are hanging straight down a little bit to end, I take some pressure off of my traps and my shoulders and my rotator cuffs, my biceps, and the other tendons that have the tendency of being a weaker point in your deadlift. Second cue that I like to give to the people that I train and that I work with is hand placement or grip placement on a bar. If you're somewhat light, you can use a double over where the hand's coming straight over. See my thumbs like this. You can use a hook grip where you grip your thumbs. Your thumbs are coming through like this. If you're not too heavy, you can use a straight down grip. And what you want to do is feel like the hands is fitting right into that lower joint of where your palms is, so you can pull straight up. Anything else, you're going to get some drag from the bar, develop some calluses, probably rip the skin in your hands, so that's very important. Another popular grip for either the Romanian deadlift or the Sumo deadlift is the over-under. So one hand is a over the top reach grip, the other hand is up underneath, so that you can rotate the bar back into your hand so they counterbalance each other. One of the problems with that is when you get really heavy, this bicep, the underhand bicep tendon, has a lot of pressure on it. So I will be aware of that. And then you get sometimes an uneven pull where the bar is coming up different. So those are the hand grip placement cues. We're just going to talk about the Sumo deadlift, the one that you're going to see in the video that me and Courtney is doing from this last Sunday, demonstrating. With the Sumo grip, you want to make sure that you get a nice triangle built, feet wide apart. And what I like to feel is like the bar is coming up on the inside of my shins right here. So my toes are pointed out, the bar is coming up on the inside of my shins are to the bar. Put my hand down inside. The double over, I do my hands down inside. You'll see me lock out to feel the tension in my posterior chain, to engage my lats with a deep breath. And then I sit back into there and my arms go right to the inside of my legs. Those are deadlifting cues from a pro. I've been deadlifting for a long time, been working with some of the top deadlifters in the world as far as training or as far as techniques, reviewing, because it is probably one of the best lifts for an entire body, core, posterior chain, shoulders, a compound movement that will be very beneficial to anyone using it to want to build better legs, better booty, a more aesthetic back, more muscle density. Just remember that proper cues, proper techniques is very important, because the energy has to travel through the right body parts at the right percentages. If it doesn't, then you're going to get some ligament, tendon, disc, and other type of injuries that will recur or occur. Nice. Shoulders back, Yep. Good job. Straighten up, straighten your legs up first. Yep, lock them out. Feel the stretch in your hamstring, lock them out. Yep, feel that hamstring step, there you go. Engage, shoulders back. Nice, good job. Just want you to go through the lockout just so you can fire off your hamstring so they know they need a fire as they're coming through. Yep, that looks good. Nice.
Good. Nice. Good job. Nice.
For more information, you can contact me on my website, www.lgfitnessmessiah.com. Thanks.